If you're a freelancer, consultant, or small business owner looking for an easy way to manage invoices, expenses, and accounting, FreshBooks is one of the most popular cloud accounting platforms available in 2026. Designed with simplicity in mind, it helps business owners spend less time on bookkeeping and more time growing their business. But is FreshBooks still worth using in 2026? Let's find out. One of FreshBooks' biggest strengths is its user-friendly interface. From the moment you log in, everything is clean, modern, and easy to navigate. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of your invoices, expenses, payments, and overall business performance, making it simple to stay on top of your finances even if you have little accounting experience. Creating invoices is where FreshBooks truly shines. You can build professional invoices in just a few minutes, customize them with your company logo and branding, set up recurring invoices for regular clients, automate payment reminders, and accept online payments through multiple payment providers. These features help businesses get paid faster while reducing manual administrative work. Expense tracking is equally simple. FreshBooks allows you to connect your bank accounts, automatically import transactions, categorize expenses, upload receipts directly from your phone, and monitor your spending throughout the year. This automation saves time and makes tax preparation much easier. Another feature that freelancers love is built-in time tracking. You can record the hours spent on each project, assign time to specific clients, and convert those tracked hours directly into invoices with just a few clicks. This makes FreshBooks an excellent choice for consultants, designers, developers, agencies, and other service-based businesses that bill by the hour. Project collaboration is another advantage. FreshBooks lets you work with clients and team members by sharing project updates, files, and conversations in one place. You can also track project budgets and monitor profitability, giving you a better understanding of how each project performs financially. Reporting is another area where FreshBooks performs well. The platform provides detailed financial reports, including profit and loss statements, expense reports, tax summaries, invoice aging reports, revenue tracking, and payment history. These reports help business owners understand their finances and make smarter business decisions. FreshBooks also integrates with many popular business applications. It connects with tools like Stripe, PayPal, Shopify, Gusto, HubSpot, and dozens of other third-party apps, allowing businesses to automate workflows and manage multiple aspects of their operations from one connected ecosystem. The mobile app is another highlight. Available for both Android and iPhone, it allows you to create invoices, track expenses, capture receipts, communicate with clients, and monitor your business from virtually anywhere. Of course, no accounting software is perfect. While FreshBooks is excellent for freelancers and small businesses, larger companies with advanced inventory management or highly complex accounting needs may find platforms like QuickBooks or Xero better suited for enterprise-level operations. Additionally, some advanced features are only available on higher-tier subscription plans. So, should you use FreshBooks in 2026? If you're a freelancer, self-employed professional, consultant, or small business owner looking for an easy-to-use accounting platform with outstanding invoicing, time tracking, expense management, and reporting, the answer is definitely yes. FreshBooks continues to be one of the best accounting solutions for service-based businesses thanks to its simplicity, automation, and excellent user experience. Overall, FreshBooks remains one of the top cloud accounting platforms in 2026, especially for professionals who want to simplify bookkeeping without sacrificing powerful business tools. What do you think about FreshBooks? Would you choose it over QuickBooks, Xero, Wave Accounting, or Zoho Books? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more software reviews, business tools, and productivity tips.